Hey traders, it is Monday, October 11th with the technical traders trade of the week. And if we take a look at the charts, you can see here that we have got the TAN, the solar sector ETF. It had a big run in 2020 from around the $20 level up to the $120 level. Since then, it's been out of favor, having a big correction, put in kind of a multi-headed topping phase here, pulled back. And what looks like the chart is doing now is it's on the later stages of a new platform, a launch pad for it to go higher. If we were to just zoom in on this chart, you can see here that we are getting very close to a much bigger breakout here. If we can break above these trend lines, which is based on some closing bars or just the kind of wick highs, we can see if we can get above that level, we could start to see the NASDAQ, the TAN start to break out and have a pretty big run. Very quickly would it run that 10% move to test these recent highs. And from that level is where I think the next big launch pad would actually start to break from. If we were to get a run up to this area and see it start to flag sideways, that will be a major breakout zone across this chart. Not a very straight line, but there's this huge bottoming formation. And once it breaks through that, then we go very quickly up to test these highs around that 120, 125 area. From there, we'll have to see what it would do from there. But overall, it would be starting a new major bull market phase and lots of upside potential going forward. This is still early in the basing formation, but this price pattern is very signature-esque of a bottoming formation. This type of pattern is the signs of a late stage base, meaning it's starting to accumulate, it's starting to become more stable, and more or less when it starts to make some higher highs, when it can break this high, and eventually break more or less these highs right across here, that's when we're going to start to see some explosive moves to the upside where we go back up and we could see pretty quick 30-40% plus move in the sector. Anyways, I'm Christopher Mullen from the technicaltraders.com, and that's your weekly trade tip.